Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Java, you can remove leading and trailing spaces from a string using the trim method. This method is a part of the string class and is quite simple to use. ##### What is trim? The trim method in Java returns a new string after removing any leading and trailing whitespace. It does not modify the original string, as strings in Java are immutable. ##### syntax. #### leading spaces. Leading spaces refer to any whitespace characters, spaces, tabs, etc., that appear at the beginning of a string. The trim method effectively removes these leading spaces along with any trailing spaces. #### example code. Here is a simple example demonstrating how to use the trim method to remove leading spaces from a string. #### output. When you run the above code, you will see the following output. #### explanation of the example. 1. Original string. The string original string is defined with leading and trailing spaces. 2. Trimming. The method trim is called on original string, which removes the leading and trailing spaces, resulting in trimmed string. 3. Output. We print both the original and trimmed strings to see the difference. #### important points. The trim method only removes spaces at the beginning and end of the string. It does not remove spaces that are present between words. If you only want to remove leading spaces but keep trailing spaces, you can use substraying and index of methods to achieve that, but Java does not have a built-in method specifically for removing leading spaces. #### removing only leading spaces. If you specifically want to remove only leading spaces and not trailing spaces, you can use the following approach. #### output for leading spaces example. In this example, we used replace all, *\s plus, where *\s plus is a regular expression that matches one or more whitespace characters at the beginning of the string. #### conclusion. In summary, the trim method in Java is a straightforward way to remove both leading and trailing spaces from a string. If you need to remove only leading spaces, you can use regular expressions. Understanding these methods will help you manage strings more effectively in your Java applications.